If you're trying to order from Temu, but the cash on delivery, also known as COD, option isn't showing or isn't working, here's what you need to know. So first, not every region or delivery area supports this. The option is only available in certain countries and specific locations within those countries. If it doesn't appear at checkout, this usually means your address isn't eligible. So if we go to cart, as you can see for me also there's no option for this. And try entering a different nearby city or postal code. Sometimes changing the delivery zone makes it available again. And also make sure your Temu app and address info are updated. So you go back into the website, you go to You, and in here you can set your delivery address either here or when choosing the order. For example, you go to the cart, and in here you just choose where to ship the item. Also note that code might be temporarily disabled during high traffic periods or for accounts with previous failed deliveries. If everything looks fine but code still won't appear, switch to a different courier or item. Some sellers simply don't support cash payments. So to fix code not working, double check your address, make sure your app is updated, and try another product or seller. So guys, this is pretty much it. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.